Hi, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. I'm going to show you how to operate our Xtend 4-track windows and remove the panels for cleaning. When you push all the window panels up to the top or down to the bottom, you get 75% open screen for maximum airflow. To go up to the top, we start with the bottom panel and bring them all up to the top. To go down to the bottom, I don't need to reach the very top. I can take them from right here, pull that top panel down, and then all down to the bottom. When closing the windows, I like to take all 4 panels together, get underneath it, and now it's very important that you firmly push the top panel up into the top track so you hear and feel it click and lock in. By snapping that top panel in properly locked into the top track, that'll keep the panels from sliding down on their own due to wind and vibrations. To remove the panels for cleaning, I like to lift them up to a comfortable height and then get one hand on the top, one hand on the bottom, and compress them to the left. These springs on the left side compress into the track, which allow the panel to come out. Number 3. Number 4. Watch our cleaning video that goes into the step-by-step process for cleaning the vinyl. While you have all of the panels out, if you're cleaning the vinyl, that would be a good time to wipe the tracks down, vacuum out the sill. To clean the tracks, just a wet rag with soap and water is all you need. When we're ready to put them back in, all 4 of these panels are exactly the same size, so they can go in any order. The first panel is going to go into the track closest to the screen. Then the second panel is going to go into the next track and overlap the panel behind it. So I overlap it about halfway into the 3rd track, and then the same thing, always making sure that the vinyl and the screen spline is on the back side closest to the screen. Overlapping the panels. And the last one. That's how you remove the panels of our Xtend 4-track porch windows.